you wanna cook, but salt runs low, just take seawater, a bucket will go. Salty enough to reach the bone, no need to buy, cheap and well known. If you crave sweet, but sugar's all gone, cut sugarcane where the village lawns are grown. Squeeze out the juice, pure and sweet, no other sweetness could ever compete. If you feel hot, find a shady tree, sit beneath it, let the breeze blow free. No fan required, no power to pay. Nature gives joy in every way. If you are thirsty and water's nowhere near, dig deep the ground, springs will appear, cool and clear, ready to drink. Freshness you'll feel, thirst gone in a blink. Everything exists, everything's here. Just take what you need from its source so near. Simple ways, ways that make perfect sense. Like Dola, when her powder runs out, she uses tapioca starch. Even if it sticks a bit dense, it sounds so strange, yet it makes good sense. If you miss Dola but can't meet face to face, just hold your phone, we'll talk all day, all space. Soft is her voice, calming every part. Distance fades fast, same love in the heart. If you want joy but your smile's gone away, just think of me, you'll be bright and gay. No cost at all, no fuss to be done. Simple happiness, just us two.